here tonight as these remarkable young ladies showcase their poise, intelligence, and the values that makes them a true role model in our community. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Jeff, your master of ceremony. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's proceed to the awarding of the first set of corporate awards. So our corporate awards are gathered and chosen by the candidate itself. Our first candidate who will receive the award. This award is the DC Ferrer Eye Clinic and Yvette's Place. Also, she will have the Rojas Birthing and Maternity Clinic or RBMS Award. And she will also receive a TAN Corporation Award. This candidate is none other than candidate number 2, Miss Antoinette Ablaneda. Once again, a round of applause for our candidate, Miss Antoinette Ablaneda. Palakpakan naman dyan! Congratulations, Miss Antoinette Ablaneda. Another round of applause for our candidate. Thank you so much and congratulations, candidate number 2, Miss Antoinette Ablaneda. Our next candidate will receive Saucified Award, Cepeda Advertising Award, and our Internet Provider Award. This candidate is none other than candidate number 4, Miss Rosel Desho. Palakpakan naman dyan! And of course, kung andito po yung nagbigay ng sponsors, pwede po sila mismo ang magbigay ng award dito sa ating stage. Ano po?